Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need mobile data and an active plan, so enable cellular now and disable Wi-Fi to force the Play Store onto mobile. Open the Google Play app and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. This avoids permissions prompts later. Once done, check that Android and Play Store are updated because recent releases fix cellular download limits. Make sure battery saver is off. Low power modes can block background downloads. Start by tapping your profile icon to access settings. Now configure the Play Store to use mobile data. Open Settings, go to Network Preferences, and set app download preference to over any network so installs and updates will proceed. Next, if you want auto updates on cellular, set auto update apps to over any network. Otherwise, select Ask Every Time. Also inspect Android's data saver and grant unrestricted data access to Google Play, which prevents the system from blocking its traffic. These steps ensure downloads run smoothly when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Finish by testing with a small app download so you can observe behavior and confirm settings. Pause and resume if it stalls. If the Play Store still refuses mobile downloads, clear the app cache and data in System Settings, then reboot the phone. This often resolves corrupted state. Make sure your carrier isn't blocking large files or using a restrictive APN. If problems continue, contact carrier support. One key tip: enabling unrestricted data for Google Play and Data Saver usually fixes most cellular download issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.